Let's switch gears and talk about drying and dehydrating vegetables. You can easily do this at home, whether with a dehydrator or an oven. What about starting with banana peppers? Before we start drying, let's get our banana peppers washed. Clean veggies are crucial for quality drying. Next, slice your banana peppers. Aim for thin, even slices to ensure they dry uniformly. Arrange the slices on your dehydrator tray. No overlapping, please. We want each piece to dry evenly. Set your dehydrator to the recommended temperature for vegetables. Patience is critical here. Drying can take hours. If you're using an oven, set it to its lowest temperature and keep the door slightly ajar for air circulation. This technique also works wonders. When dry, let your banana peppers cool. This helps them crisp up and makes them easier to handle. Store your dried peppers in glass jars to keep them fresh and ready for your next culinary adventure. Don't forget the labels, including the date. Keep track of freshness to make it easier to organize your pantry. Drying not only extends shelf life, but also concentrates those delicious flavors. Plus, it's a fantastic way to minimize waste and have healthy snacks on hand. We've conquered drying and dehydrating. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of preserving vegetables. We hope you found these methods helpful and easy to try at home. And if you've got some cool tips or questions, please drop a comment below. Your insights and experiences are what make this community awesome. If you liked this video, show us some love with a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more fantastic content. Your support keeps these videos coming. Stay tuned for more delightful and practical guides on sustainable living. See you next time.